Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Of course, if you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Belinda, and everything I do on this channel are just things I love to do. Shoot videos on how to make organic stuffs to help you, and also videos on smartphone videography. I do that sometimes. And guys, I have another wonderful educative video for you guys. Today I'm going to be talking about how I make stretch mark oil, and I actually make them myself, because most times when you buy stretch mark oils or creams out there, you actually realize that they don't even do what they're supposed to do. They rather expand your stretch marks with you. But guys, I want to bring something to your notice. Anything you're doing for stretch marks, you have to be very patient with the process, because the truth of the matter is that you cannot actually evacuate stretch marks from your body in just 1 week or 2 weeks or so. If anybody tells you that, that person is simply lying to you. There's no stretch mark cream or whatever that can actually work for stretch marks in just 1 month, even 1 month. Yeah, you could see changes, but not like getting rid of all your stretch mark in just 1 month. Guys, it's a pure lie, please. Nothing really takes off stretch mark in that short period of time. And also the time it actually takes your stretch marks to clear depends on how dense your stretch mark is and the things you still keep applying on that stretch mark while you're trying to treat it. I always advise people to stay away from harsh chemicals, because one of the things that actually gives people stretch mark, some people's own seems to be natural. Some people actually get stretch marks from the kind of creams they use and stuff like that. They start having green veins and stretch marks from the creams they use. Most of these organic creams, they don't actually formulate them with the right formulas. I mean, the right amount of ingredients you're supposed to put in a particular cup. So those things can actually add up to giving you stretch marks in places where you don't even want to see stretch marks. Like, obviously guys, having stretch marks on the arms can be very, very annoying. Having stretch marks on the boobs can be very annoying, guys. Having stretch marks in specific areas of your body can be very, very offending. I mean, it can be annoying to you as a person. So guys, why I started making the oil was because I was actually having it in the wrong place. I was having it somewhere here, guys. So I needed to take care of it, and I came across this, because if I did not take care of it, I'm sure you'd have been seeing some huge lines right here. And that's what people don't know. Once you see stretch marks on your body, you should actually stop anything harsh you're using and try to start what do they call it, reducing the appearance of the stretch marks other than stressing it with creams and stuff. Like, avoid using harsh chemicals like harsh creams, or even your soap if it's harsh. Don't rub it at that area while you're bathing. Okay guys, what I'm about to show you is my special stretch mark creams, which I'm going to be making with specifically 2 ingredients. But I have 2 other ingredients I'm going to let you know about that I'm going to be adding into it, and I'll show you how I actually make it. I don't enjoy buying stretch mark creams and all of that, because I realize that some people just sell things that are not you're not supposed. They are like, they call it stretch mark cream, scrub and all of that. You don't need to use so much. You don't need so much to get rid of stretch marks, okay? You just need few ingredients, and these are the most important ingredients aside from these 2 that I'm going to be adding to it, and I'll tell you why and how I'm adding them to it. Now guys, the very first ingredient I'm going to talk about is your shea butter. Shea butter is important when you're trying to reduce the appearance of stretch marks on the body. Shea butter is so important. Even if it's only shea butter you are using, it is damn important. And that is because so my second ingredient is your python fat. In Igbo, we call it abeke, python fat. But combining python fat to shea butter it's a huge one, guys. So guys, this is my second most important ingredient, python fat. So guys, I'm going to let you in on these other 2 ingredients that I will be adding to my stretch marks cream. They are actually good, and I'm going to tell you also why I am using them. Now, this is vitamin E oil. can get these things from any store where they sell skincare, organic skincare products. They're not difficult to find. Even online you can find them. It's not that expensive too. And this is lavender oil. Quantity, this 50 ml, I bought it for I think 1,000 naira. Then I got this lavender oil. Let me show you my lavender oil. Let me get it out. I got this lavender oil for 800 naira only. 800 naira lavender oil, 800 naira. Then this python fat, I got it for 1,000 naira. I actually got it from a vendor who sells online. And what's the name of that store? I searched and I found, and I got it from a vendor that sells online. And then shea butter, this quantity I bought it for 500 naira. You can see I've only used half of it. I don't really need much of it, but I'm just going to show you using all these ingredients how I make my stretch marks oil. So guys, let's get right into the preparation. So guys, I'm going to be using the double boiling method to do a lot of things I'll be doing. So guys, I'm going to be using this cup to mix my cream, and this is actually going to be used as my base, which is the shea butter is my base cream. So guys, let's start. I'll first of all dip the python fat right into the boiling water to melt. And guys, I will get my spoon. This is my shea butter. This is my shea butter. 1 spoon. This is my base cream. So I'll need some good quantity of it, guys. I'm supposed to be using the double boiling method on it too. So guys, depending on your container, guys. So I have this quantity. I'm also going to dip it there to melt. 1.5 of my tablespoon, guys. We're trying to melt them so that we can mix properly. So my python fat. So I'm going to try to get 2 tablespoons of my python fat. My python fat. It's melted. Hey guys, you can see what I'm doing. Oh, it's hot. But I have to melt. It doesn't smell so nice, guys. 1. This is 1. This is 2. That's enough, guys. Remember the double boiling method, please. Do not put directly in the pan. Just use a plastic or so, something that could actually, or even if it's your stainless stuff, it will still melt. Vitamin E oil, 2 tablespoons too. 1. So guys, my lavender oil, that's our last ingredient. Lavender oil, 2 tablespoons. 1 and 2. So I have everything properly mixed at this point. There's no separation. Shea butter, our python fat, our lavender oil, and our vitamin E oil right here, guys. Now I'm going to be telling you showing you how to apply it. Instruction to use, guys. So guys, here you go. This is our stretch mark cream, guys, and you can start rubbing it from right now. Guys, when you want to rub it on where you have stretch marks, you just go in a very, whichever way you even want to go by is fine. Apply it in the morning and apply it in the night if you can. And you start, depending on how your stretch marks is, you start noticing your difference. I mean, the appearance of the stretch marks starts reducing gradually from the first 2 weeks. You will notice a reduction. But please, guys, don't quote me that I said in 2 weeks your stretch marks will be all off. I've not said that to you. I'm only still going to tell you at the end of the day to be patient with the process. So guys, I hope you found this video really helpful. Don't forget to drop me a like on my video, drop a comment, ask me your favorite questions, tell me what you want me to talk about and what you want me to shoot about. So I still also want a video on how to add weight. All right guys, thank you for staying with me to the end of the video.